Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my tuna cakes recipe. This simple and easy recipe takes a boring can of tuna and transforms it into a savory dish with very little effort. It makes a wonderful low-carb meal or appetizer. Let's get started. We'll begin by adding one drained 4-ounce can of tuna to a mixing bowl. Be sure it's patted dry as well. You want to remove as much of the moisture as possible. Add some mayonnaise and some sour cream. Season with some salt, Creole seasoning, some lemon pepper. Be sure to use one with no added sugar or salt like this one here. Add some onion powder, dried dill, some dried chives, and now for the binder we'll add some Parmesan cheese, a little almond flour, and we'll finish with one large egg. Give this a mix until everything is fully combined. To a skillet on medium heat, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat up and equally divide the tuna mix into 2 patties. You don't want these too thick, just about a 1/4 inch in thickness. Cook for about 2 to 2.5 minutes. Once they come together and become a bit firm, gently flip to cook the other side. I find it easier to use the 2 spatula method here. Let cook for another 2 minutes to firm up nicely. Serve these warm with my remoulade sauce, some extra chives, some lemon wedges, and enjoy. There you have it, folks, my tuna cakes recipe. A simple and easy way to turn boring tuna into a savory meal. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.